stay. 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 Who trained you, for goodness sake? Eh?
You did.
Who trained you?
Nobody. Holly doesn't do training.
Get down, down.
She's a stupid dog.
She's not stupid.
She is. Give it 2 seconds and she'll be up again.
Look, fine now.
Oh, she's up. She's getting up. You're a jolly boy. Dad? 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 Holly, seriously, don't hide behind me. I'm not going to help you.
Get onto your mat. Come on.
Oh, Holly, that's not the mat.
Come on.
Oh.
Are you, Charlie?
Charlie,
Good
come
boy,
here.
Charlie. Down. Get down. Good boy.
At least one of them's good.
Down. 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 Down.
Yeah?
Down. Down. Good.
When I'm done videoing your dog being a retard.
Well done, Holly. That's the best you can do, isn't it? Now stay. Stay.
I give it 2 seconds.
Watch your nipples. There's chickens out there.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah, you told me the chicken bit a nipple. Dad, you're being followed. Holly, stop hiding behind me.
Get down. Get into your bed, Holly.
Stupid dog.
Well, can you do me a favour?
Depends what it is.
This phone, Samsung, it's got one of your SIM cards in. Can you sort it out for Louis?
I've only ever had one SIM card and I've got it.
No, it's in there. It's yours.
It's not mine because I've got my SIM card.